children, in the previous class we have discussed 4.1. Now we are going to start the exercise 4.2. All of you open your textbook and page number 122. Okay, in the page number 122 you have your exercise 4.2. The first main is saying that here use divisibility tests or rules, you can say rules also, to find which of the following numbers are divisible by first one 8. Which numbers are divisible by 8? In that, A here 1606 and B 2735, C 81426 and D 34408 and E 1968, F 48516. Yes children, we know the rule of divisibility by 8. The last hundreds, tens and ones place number, the given number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8, means that number is divisible by 8. Okay, the last hundreds, tens and ones place. Now it becomes 606. My dear, 606 is divisible by 8. Is it divisible by 8? No. So this number is not divisible by 8, means the 1606, the given number is also not divisible by 8. Next, 735. 735 is divisible by 8. It is also not divisible by 8 because it is not completely divisible by 8, means this 2735 is also not divisible by 8. Then what about this 81426? In the 81426, the last 3 digits we are considering. Yes, this 426 is divisible by 8. Is 40. Here 2 remain, and this 2 becomes here. This becomes 26. But in the table of 8, 26 is not there. That's why this is also not divisible by 426 is also not divisible by 8. So if this 426 is not divisible by 8 means this totally 81426 also not divisible by 8. Next one, D, we have to check this one, 34408. In this, the last 3 digit we can consider, and this is 408. This becomes 408. Now children, this 408 is divisible by 8 or not? We have to check out. 8 ones are 8 fives are 40, 8 ones are 8. No dear, this for 34408 is divisible by 8. Okay, we can circle this number. And next we are going to 1960. Now we are considering this 3 digit. 968 is divisible by 8 or not? We can check out. So my dear, 8 ones are 8. Now in this 9, 1 is going here, and this becomes 16. 8 twos are 16 and 8 ones are 8. So 968 is completely divisible by 8, means this 1968 is also divisible by 8. Okay, we can circle D and E. Next, what about this last one? 516 is there no in the given number last 3 digit. So 516 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8 or not? Check out. 8 ones are 8 5s are 40. Here 6 remain. This becomes 66. 66 is not there in the table of 8. So it is also not divisible by 8. That's why this 48,516 also not divisible by 8. Only D and E numbers, that is 34,408 and 1,968, these numbers are only divisible by 8. Understood? Next. Yes children, the next one is by 25. Yes, use the divisibility test to find which of the following numbers are divisible by 25. Okay, this is our second question. In this second question, there are also 6 numbers are there. Whether these numbers is divisible by 25 or not, we can check out with the help of divisibility by 25 rule. Okay, we know that tests of divisibility by 25. Yes, the divisibility by 25 rule is saying that whether the given number their last ones and tens place, okay, these numbers are divisible by 25 means that totally complete number is divisible by 25, or else the number is not divisible by 25. First of all, the first number is 50. In the first number, the last 2 digit means 50. 50 is divisible by 25. Okay, 51s are 52s are. So this number is divisible by 25. The first number 9,150. Then what about this 76? 76 is not divisible by 25. That's why 2,676 is not divisible by 25. Next, this 1,175. This number 75 is divisible by 25 means the given number 1,175 is also divisible by 25. Next children, 5 is divisible by 25. No, that's why this 6,905 is also not divisible by 25. Next, 18,025. 18,025 in the last digit 25 is there. No? 25 is divisible by 25 means we get 1. So this number 18,025 is also divisible by 25. Yes. The next third question is by 11. Yes, already we know the rule of divisibility by 11. Yes, the divisibility by 11, if the given number is divisible by 11 means the difference of the sum of its digits, alternate digits, either 0 or 11. Okay, yes, with the help of these examples we have to check whether these numbers are divisible by 11 or not. Okay, first of all I will take this first question, the A. We can say 17,270. First of all, we can take this sum of its alternate digits. So first one and third number and fifth number. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is again a 3. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. The next number is second number and fourth number addition. So my dear, 7 plus 7, 14. 7 plus 7 is 14. So difference of this 14 minus 3 is 11. So if the difference of the alternate sum of its alternate digits is either 0 or 11 is there means the given number is divisible by 11. Yes my dear, so that we get the 11 answer. So this number A is there now here, 17,270 is divisible by 11. Then what about this second one? What about this second one? B question. B option is like this, 17,207. So first of all we can take the sum of its alternate digits. First number, third number, fifth number. 1 plus 2 plus 7. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. Then second number and fourth number. 7 plus 0, 7. So difference of this 10 minus 7 is 3, but 3 is not divisible by 11. That's why this number is not divisible by 11. Next one, what about this C? 4 plus 45,353. Sum of its alternate digits. The first number, third number and fifth number. 4 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10. Next, second number and fourth number. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Sum of its alternate digits, their difference means 10 minus 10 is 0. So my dear, if the difference of the sum of its alternate digits is either 0 or 11 means the number is divisible by 11. So this C is divisible by 11. 41,111. So first of all, sum of its alternate digits. This first number, third number and fifth number. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Next, second number and fourth number. 1 plus 1 is 2. Their difference 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So this number is not divisible by 11. We want either 0 or 11, but here we get 5. 5 is not divisible. So this number 51,111 is not divisible by 11. Then what about this 956E? 9 plus 4 plus 6. Okay, sum of its alternate digits means first number and third number, and the last second one only is there. So 9 plus 6, what? 15. This number is 4. Difference 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. So my dear, this 946 is divisible by 11. Next, we can check this F question. 4,452. This number is divisible by 11 or not? How to check? We can check. First of all, we can take the sum of its alternate digits. First and third number. 1. This is 4 plus 5. This equal to 9. And the second number and fourth number. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then 9 minus 6, their difference is 3. We get 3, but not 0 or 11. We want 0 or 11. So my dear, this 4,452 is also not divisible by 11. Okay, with the help of this divisibility by 11 rule, A, C and E, these numbers are divisible by 11, and B, D and F, these numbers are not divisible by 11. This is your fourth question in the A main. Okay, by divisibility by 12. Yes, whether these numbers are divisibility by 12 or not. How to check? We know the rule of divisibility by 12. Okay, if a number is divisible by 12 means if the given number is divisible by both 3 and 4. Both 3 and 4. We know the 3 and 4 rules. Okay, yes, we can check, and if these numbers are divisible by both 3 and 4 means that number is definitely divisible by 12. Okay, yes, first of all, the first A question is 5,342. First of all, we can check the divisibility by 3. Sum of its digits. 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2. Yes, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 14 is not divisible by 3 means that number is also not divisible by 4. We don't want to check the divisibility by 4. Then what about this B? 936. First of all, we can check their divisibility by 3. So 9 plus 3 plus 6. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So 18, we have a divisibility by 3 is correct in the given number. But what about divisibility by 4? Yes, check their tens and ones place. In the given number, tens and ones place is, this becomes 36. 36 is divisible by 4. Of course, this 36 is divisible by 4. That's why this number 9 and 36 is one of B question. This number is divisible by both 3 and 4, means we can easily saying this 9 and 36 is also divisible by 12. Okay. The next one is 8 and 72. We can check the next C question. See here 8 and 72. First of all, sum of its digit. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 17 is not divisible by 3. So this is not divisible by 4. Also, next one 8820. D question, 8820. How to check? First of all, you take the sum of its digits. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 0 is again 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Correct. 18 is divisible by 3. So, what about divisibility by 4? Yes, in the given number, tens and ones place, this we can form means the given number tens place and the given number in the tens place and ones place 20 is there. So 20 is divisible by 4 means the given totally 8820 is also divisible by 4. Then it is also divisible by 12. Then my dear, what about the next one? E and F. We can check now. We can check the E and F questions. Yes, the E question like this. 752. 7 plus 5 plus 2. We are testing the divisibility by 3. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. Then we don't want to check the divisibility by 4. Okay. And what about F? 1018. Sum of its digits. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3 children because in the table of 3, 10 is not there. That's why this number also not divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. And with the help of this, we can say the divisibility by 12 only these two numbers B and D. 936 and 8820. Okay. Yes, children, this is your fifth question. It is divisibility by 15. Yes, here there are 6 questions are there, 6 numbers are there. These numbers are divisibility by 15 or not. We know that divisibility rule by 15. Yes, a given number is divisible by 15 means if the given number is divisible by both 3 and 5. If the given number is divisible by both 3 and 5 means the number is also divisible by 15. Okay, we have to check whether these numbers are divisible by 3 or divisible by 3 or not, or divisibility by 5 or not. Okay, the first number is like this, 8820. Yes, we know the divisibility by 3 rule. By 3 rule we know, yes, sum of its digits 8 plus 2 plus 0. So 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 0. So this 18 is divisible by 3, correct. So 3 1s are 3 6s are. So my dear, this number is divisible by 3. But what about by 5 rule? Divisibility by 5 rule is saying that in the given number their last digit is either 0 or 5. If the given number last digit is 0 or 5 is there means the given number is definitely divisible by 5. So the given number, the first number is there now, 8820 is divisible by both 3 and 5. So we can say this 8820 is divisible by 15 also. Okay, then what about this 935? First of all, we can check by 3, divisibility by 3 rule. 9 plus 3 plus 5. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. That's why it is not divisible by 5 also. Okay. But is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. Why means in the last given digit, the last digit is 5. But it is not divisible by 3 means it is not divisible by 15. Okay. Next one, we have to check C question. 1010. First of all, we have to check the divisibility by 3 rule. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. The answer is C. The answer is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Correct. And the last digit is 0 means this is number. This number is divisible by both 3 and 5. Next, we have to check the D question. D number is like this: 1008. 1008. We can add these digits. So 1 plus 0, 0. Sorry, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 5. Why means in the given number last digit is 8 is there, but we want 0 or 5 in the last digit, but there is not 0 or 5. That's why we will say this 1008 is not divisible by 15. Then what about this 1915? 1915 we can check. Question 1915. So 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 5. The sum of its digits are divisible by 3 means that number is divisible by 3. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. That's why this number is not divisible by 15. But it is divisible by 5 because in the given number last digit is 5. 5 is there but not divisible by 3 means this number 1915 is not divisible by 15 also. Next, F 485. The given number is 485. First of all, sum of its digits 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. It is not divisible by 3. That's why we can say this number is also not divisible by 15. Okay. Only A and C. 8820 and 1110. These two numbers are divisible by 15. Okay. The next one is last question in the A main by 18. You know that divisibility by 18. Yes, if the given number is divisible by 18 is means the given number is divisible by both 9 and 2. We know that divisibility by 9 and divisibility by 2 rules. Okay, with the help of divisibility by 9 and 2 we can solve these numbers. These numbers are divisibility by 18 or not. Okay, the first A question is 1008. First of all, divisibility by 9 rule is saying that by 9 we are saying here the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Then what about divisibility by 2? Yes, in the given number last digit either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is there means the given number is divisible by 2. Then so my dear, this number is divisible by both 9 and 2. The given number is divisible by both 9 and 2 means the given 1008 is also divisible by 18. Okay. The next one is second question. 1000 B. We have to check 1110 B question. First of all, by 9 the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 is again 3. 3 is not divisible by 9. So then what about this 0 is divisible. 0 is there in the last digit, means it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 9. But the rule is saying that by 18 rule, divisibility by 18 rule is saying that if the given number is divisible by both 9 and 2, means the given number is divisible by 18 also. So my dear, this B question is not divisible by 18. Next, what about C? 458. Sum of its digits is divisible by 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, what? 17. 17 is not divisible by 9. So rule. The next one, 9 and 63. 9 plus 6 plus 3. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. But in the what about divisibility by 2 rule? In the last digit, is it 0 or is it 2? Is it 4 or is it 6 or 8? These numbers are not there in the last digit. So my dear, so 9 and 63 is also not divisible by 18. Next, what about E? 752. First of all, we have to check divisibility by 9 rule. 7 plus 5 plus 2. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 is not divisible by 9. That's why we cannot check the divisibility by 2 rule. The next one, F. 8820. Divisibility by 9. 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 0 is again 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9, 2s are 18. So then divisibility by 2 is applicable here. Yes, my dear. That's why this 8820 is divisible by both 9 and 2. Also, this number is divisible by both 9 and 2, means this number is definitely divisible by 18. Okay. In the given 6th question, here A and F, 1008 and 8820, these two numbers only divisible by 18. Okay.